Kansai Helios je grupa, ki ima 13 proizvodnih podjetij v 8 državah. Poleg tega imamo še 20 trgovskih družb v različnih državah sveta, kar pomeni, da imamo veliko diversifikacijo in tržišča in strank. Kako smo diversificirani, smo potrebovali enotno prodajno orodje.
Helios was looking for a long-term flexible solution that could complement its current software portfolio. So they already have BI system, they already have ERP system, but they were looking for some solution that could fill out the gaps.
Dynamics has a lot of functions and possibilities for integrations with other Microsoft products.
Like some soft information about activities, about the customers, certain information that are only probably in the heads of their employees.
It gives an opportunity to manage business relationships between sales, marketing and customer service.
Za SPAN smo se odločili za to, da bi poenotili program. Iskali smo partnerja, ki nam lahko nudi lokalno podporo tudi v naših ostalih entitetah.
And that's why we recommended Dynamics Business Platform for them.
S SPANom smo začeli delati na pilotnem projektu. Začeli smo s pilotnim projektom, tako da tam smo vključili 2 proizvodna programa, eno proizvodno enoto.
Business application platform from Microsoft was used as a true digital transformation tool. Specifically, we developed a solution that was used to improve interaction between the back office and salespersons in the field, so that the salespersons are able to track their visits automatically via a mobile app.
In SPAN nam je pomagal v tem, da smo s svojo fleksibilnostjo, svojo odprtostjo, svojo pripravljenostjo in kooperativnostjo smo lahko gradili program, lahko smo ga izpopolnjevali.
The main requirement for this portal was SAP integration, since Helios is heavily dependent, so SAP is their core system. And the main requirement was that this portal is able to integrate with SAP. So we managed to do that, and now more than 100 of their external partners and customers are using this portal either for order entry or for order verification.
The main benefit of the platform is that it provides 360-degree view of the customer, which gives an opportunity to provide the best user experience.
A CRM project is kind of like our crown achievement. So based on the successes of our previous projects, we are now dealing with a project that is kind of like will be rolled out to all of the companies in Helios.
In to enotno prodajno orodje smo v bistvu dobili s tem CRM-jem. Največja prednost je dostopnost informacij in to na vsakem koraku, v vsakem trenutku.
Users in the companies are able to track their opportunities and quotes within our solution, and the management side is able to get the insight in the state of the sales across the board, across the companies and across the segments.